Yo, what up, everyone? Welcome to Gap Trades. I'm the creator, Jermaine Hatcher. Before we get started, let me ask you this. Are you unhappy with your current income? What about time? Do you ever feel like it's not enough time to be able to do the simple things you want in life? And like majority of America, the answer to both these questions is yes. But that's okay, because in the next 5 minutes, you have the tools to be able to change both these circumstances, giving you more time to be able to do the things you love with the people you care most about. So let me tell you a little bit about what I do. I'm a professional day trader. I've been trading now for 6 years. And during this time, I went from not knowing anything about the stock market to mastering 2 trading patterns that has made me over $50,000 alone, trading part-time from the comfort of my home. Now, I know you're probably sitting there thinking to yourself that you don't know anything about trading, so you possibly can't make any money, let alone become a professional trader at that. But I'm here to tell you that that's a false and disempowering statement, because every skill is learnable, but that's if you really want it, right? Now peep this. A survey was conducted by CNBC on how much the average American makes in the US. And the survey was broken down by age demographics. Now what the survey revealed was that the average salary for ages 18 to 34 was a little under $30,000 a year. Now we know that you can't make a living off of that right there, meaning that most likely you're barely getting by, living paycheck to paycheck. And I'm quite positive that working that job isn't giving you the freedom you want to be able to do the simple things in life, like enjoy quality time with your family. So not only are you barely getting by working a 9 to 5, but you're barely getting by, plus you had no time to spend with family or friends. Now that's not right. Now let me ask you this. If something were to happen to you today, where you have to tap into your savings account, and that's even if you have one, to pull out over $1,000 to take care of a problem, would you be able to do it? Probably not. Now how would this make you feel? Probably like shit, right? See, I too was in the same position not too long ago. I could barely feed my family, let alone myself. Let's just call it like how I was. I was broke. But in every bad situation, there is some good that comes up out of it, because during this time is when I made a promise to myself that I'll never be put in a situation again where I wouldn't be able to provide for my family if something were to happen. And this is when I learned how to day trade. And since I started day trading, many things have changed in my life. I'm financially free. I'm able to give my family the financial freedom that they need. And I'm also not constrained by any employer. I went from making less than $30,000 a year to doubling my income in less than a year by trading 2 hours a day. So let's just put this in perspective. Trading 2 hours a day, making $250 a day, I netted $60,000 in a year just working 2 hours alone. This gave me the extra time I needed to spend with my family. It also gave me time to be able to travel. See, I'm free to do whatever I want. And this is what I'm offering you. A chance to learn and master these same 2 trading patterns that will turn your life around. I promise, if you're willing to learn and is dedicated to making a change in your life, you can and will master these same patterns with no problems. Look, you don't have to have a college education or know all these intricate details about the stock market to be able to start trading. To become a successful and profitable trader, you just need to have 3 traits. You have to be able to listen, you have to be able to pay attention to details, and you need to be able to follow directions. Being able to do these 3 things will have you on the road to becoming a profitable and successful trader in no time. You're a smart person, right? You like to make smart decisions, right? You're adventurous, right? So take the next step to becoming financially independent by becoming an elite trader and learning 2 high probability trading patterns that'll change your life around. What are you waiting for?